Be strong.
How to make money online. Hi Leah, how are you today?
I'm doing great, thanks Alex. How about you?
I'm doing well too. I've been thinking about ways to make some extra money and I heard about making money online. Have you ever tried it?
Yeah, I have. There are many opportunities to make money online. What are you interested in specifically?
I'm not sure yet. Do you have any suggestions?
Well, you can start a blog or a YouTube channel and monetize it through ads, sponsorships, and affiliate marketing.
That sounds interesting. How do you monetize a blog or a YouTube channel?
You can place ads on your website or channel and earn money every time someone clicks on them. You can also collaborate with brands and promote their products to your audience. And with affiliate marketing, you earn a commission when someone makes a purchase through your unique affiliate link.
Wow, that's great. What kind of blog or YouTube channel should I start?
It depends on your interests and skills. You can start a blog about a hobby you're passionate about, such as cooking, travel, or fashion. For a YouTube channel, you can create tutorials, vlogs, or funny videos. The important thing is to provide value to your audience.
I see. And how do I get started?
To start a blog, you need to choose a blogging platform like WordPress or Blogger and buy a domain name and hosting. For a YouTube channel, you just need to create a channel and start creating videos. It's important to promote your content on social media and engage with your audience.
That sounds like a lot of work.
It can be, but the reward is worth it. You can earn passive income and have the freedom to work from anywhere. And the best part is, you can do it on your own terms and schedule.
That's true. I'll definitely consider it. Thanks for the information, Leah.
No problem, Alex. I'm here to help. If you have any more questions, feel free to ask.
Leah, you mentioned making money online. Can you tell me more about print on demand?
Sure, Alex. Print on demand is a type of e-commerce business where you can sell custom products, like clothing, mugs, and phone cases, without having to hold any inventory. You create a design, and when a customer orders the product, it's printed and shipped directly to them.
That sounds easy. How do I get started with print on demand?
You can start by signing up with a print-on-demand platform like Teespring or Printful. They handle all the production, printing, and shipping while you focus on creating and promoting your designs. You can also use social media like Instagram and Facebook to promote your products and reach a wider audience.
How much money can I make with print on demand?
The profit margin can vary depending on the platform you use and the price of the product. But, on average, you can make around 10 to 15% profit per item. The more products you sell, the more money you can make. And the best part is, you can sell products 24/7 even while you sleep.
That's great. How do I come up with designs for my products?
You can use graphic design software like Adobe Illustrator or Canva to create your designs. Or, you can hire a freelance graphic designer to create designs for you. It's important to research popular trends and target your designs to your audience.
Okay, thanks for the information, League. I'll definitely look into print on demand. I heard about a platform called OnlyFans. Can a man make money on OnlyFans?
Yes, OnlyFans is a platform where people can earn money by creating and selling content to subscribers. Both men and women can make money on OnlyFans, but the platform is primarily used by creators in the adult entertainment industry.
So, it's mainly for people who create explicit content, right?
That's correct. OnlyFans is an adult-only platform, and the content creators make money by selling access to their content, like photos and videos, to subscribers. The more subscribers you have, the more money you can make.
I see. I'm not sure if that's something I want to do. Is there any other way to make money on OnlyFans?
Yes, you can also earn money by offering services, like custom videos and one-on-one sessions, to your subscribers. But, keep in mind that OnlyFans is an adult platform, and it's important to only create and share content that you're comfortable with and that is legal.
Okay, thanks for the information, Lea. I'll think about it.
No problem, Alex. Just remember to consider your personal values and comfort level before making any decisions.